Hi everyone, welcome to the Grace Life DIY home decor. Alright, so I have some quick reminders for you, so let's get started. So on November 8th at 7 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, we have the Crafting Through the Snow DIY collaboration. Can't wait to see you there, guys. Let's move on to the next one. Alright, so on November 9th, we have at 7 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, 'Tis the Season Mantle Collaboration. Remember, if you don't have a mantle, you can use a bookcase or you can use a shelf. Let's move on to the next one. So on the same day, it's a closed collaboration, and it's the Holiday Cookie Jar closed collaboration. So I can't wait to see you there and looking for your support. Amen. Let's go on to the next one. Okay, so on November 12th, on Tablescape Tuesdays, we have a guest, and it's Annalise Cupboard. And the theme is It's Beginning to Look a Lot Like Christmas. On November 14th at 7 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, we have the Hot Cocoa and S'mores Station, and the theme for that one is candy cane. So can't wait to see you there, guys. That's exciting. Let's move on to the next one. So on November 15th at 7 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, we have the Christmas Styling All the Way, and the theme is ornaments. Can't wait to see you there, and God bless you.